Uh, Hello, welcome class. Now here we will start with question number 9. This is our second part of your first worksheet on probability. Now let us see this question number 9. The probability that Android cycles to school is R. Write down in terms of R the probability that Android does not cycle to school. Okay, the possibility of cycling to school is given R. So the possibility that Android does not cycle to school will be 1 minus R. Okay, straightforward answer. Now the probability that Benoit does not cycle to school is 1.3 minus R. The probability that both Android and Benoit do not cycle to the school is 0.4. Complete the equation in terms of R. Okay, so both means here 1 minus R times 1.3 minus R will be equal to 0.4, because here it is given that the probability that both Android and Benoit do not cycle to school is given 0.4. Now show that this equation simplifies to 10 R square minus 23R plus 9. Okay, so simply what you have to do, you have to expand this product. So you will multiply this 1 with 1.3 minus R, and then you will multiply minus R with this 1.3 minus R, and you will equate this with 0.4. So here it is 1.3 minus R minus 1.3 R minus R square is equal to 0.4. Okay, now what I will do, I will multiply both the sides by 10. Okay, so that this R square will become 10R square. So here it is 13 minus 10R minus 13R minus 10R square will be equal to 4. Okay, then I will bring everything on the right hand side. Why I am doing that? Because I want to make R square as a positive term. So here on the left side it will be 0, on the right side it will be 10R square. Then this minus 10 minus 13 is minus 23, it will go on that side. Wait. It is given 10R square minus 23R plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, something is wrong here. The probability that Android cycle to school is R. Write down in terms of R. The probability that Android does not cycle to school is 1 minus R. Fine. The probability that Benoit does not cycle to school is 1.3 minus R. And the probability that both Android and Benoit do not cycle to the school is 0.4. Okay, so far everything seems to be okay. Okay, now a very big mistake I did here. When I multiply minus R with minus R, it is going to be plus. Okay, it is going to be plus. So it is plus R square. This is plus 10R square. So that means I need not have to move everything on the right side. Okay, so here this 10R square, on the left side I have 10R square. Then this 10R and 13R, they will give me minus 23R. So this is minus 23R, and you will bring this 4 on the left, so it will be 13 minus 4 is plus 9. So it is plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is how you will show that 10R square minus 23R plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, you have to show complete working. Okay, now solve by factorization. 10R square minus 23R. Okay, this we have to show by factorization. This 10 I will multiply with 9. So 10 times 9 is 90. Now I have to get two factors of this 90 whose addition will give me minus 23, and the product will give me 90. So 90, if I start factorizing with 2, I will get 45. Then with 3, I will get 3 times 1, 3, 3 5s are 15. Then again 3 5s are 15, and 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, so I have to arrange these factors in two parts. Now if I take 15 and 6, 15 and 6, it will not give me the result. If I take 18 and 5, so 18 plus 5 is 23. So what I will do, I will write this as 10 r square minus 23. I will write as 18 times r minus 5 times r. So 18 times 5 will give me 90, and their addition will give me minus 23. Plus 9 is equals to 0. From this I will take 2r common, so it is 5r minus 9, and from here I will take minus 5 common, not minus 5, I will take minus 1 common. So minus 1 common, it will give me 5r minus 9. Okay, so if you take negative sign common, you have to change the sign of each term. This is equals to 0. So in one bracket I have 5r minus 9, in other bracket I have 2r minus 1, a is equals to 0. So this gives me 5r minus 9 is equals to 0, or 2r minus 1 is equal to 0. So that will give you 5r is equals to 9, or 2r is equals to 1. So that gives you r is equals to 9 divided by 5, or r is equals to 1 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the values of r. One is 9 divided by 5, and other is 1 divided by 2. So one value is 9 divided by 5, other value is 1 divided by 2. Now find the probability that the Benoit does not cycle to the school. Now Benoit does not cycle to the school, its a possibility is 1.3 minus r. Okay, let me go to check the problem once again. The probability that Android cycle to school is r. Okay, now the possibility is always less than 1. So here the value of r which we will use will be less than 1 only. Okay, so here we have two values. One is 0.5 and one is 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5. Definitely 1.8 is much more than 1. Okay, so we will not consider that. So out of these two values, okay, out of these two values you should consider 1 divided by 2. So here it is 1.3 minus 0.5 is equals to 0.8. So the probability that Benoit does not cycle to school will be 0.8. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here your answer will be 0.8. Okay, now next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is 262 students at college each study one of the language shown in the table. Now complete the table. Okay, for 3 marks you have to complete the table. Now see here, Italian 19 boys, total is 30. So 30 minus 19, that will give you 11. Here I have 32 and the total is 53. So 53 minus 32, it will be 1, and 5 minus 3 is 2, so 21. If I add this 21 and 32, I will get 53. Okay, 48, 54, I will add here 8 plus 4, it is 2, and 5 plus 5, 10. So this is 102. Now here what I will do, Okay, horizontally, if I see, this is total 123. So I will say that 123 minus 27 minus 21 minus 48 minus 19. That will give me 8. So here, Japanese, I have 8. 8 plus 12, it gives me 20. Now, here, the total I will get from subtracting this all from 260. So 262 minus 53 minus 102 minus 30 minus 20. Okay, so this gives me 57. So here the total is 57 and 27, and this number of girl will give me 57. So here the answer is going to be 30. Okay, so 30. Now I will add all these. So 30 plus 32 plus 54 plus 11 plus 12. That gives me 139. 139. Now if this 123 plus this 139, it will give me 262, then I will say that okay, my calculations are all correct. Okay, so this is a kind of check. I will add these two, it should give me 262. Now the next part of the problem is, now we have completed the table. Find the probability that a girl chosen at random studied Spanish. If you have to find the probability that girl chosen at random studied Spanish. Okay, find the probability that a girl chosen at random studies Spanish. So that means a girl chosen means it is given that the student is a girl. So I have total 139 girls, and she is studying Spanish. So 54 such students. So 54 divided by 139. So here 54 divided by 139. Okay, now we have to be very much careful about the wordings. So here the answer is 54 divided by 139. Now next question is, a boy chosen at random studies French or Italian. Now French or Italian. So French, I have 27 boys. Italian, I have 19 boys. So 7 plus 27 plus 19. 27 plus 19 gives me 46. So 46 upon 123. 46. So this is 46 divided by 123. So 46 divided by 123. Now a student chosen at random does not study German. So does not study German. So here German, if I see, there are total 53 students out of 262. So I will say that 53 divided by 262. Okay, so questions are simple, straightforward. Wait. I am making a mistake. The question is that a student chosen at random does not study German. This is the answer for the student studying German. So he is not studying German. It will be 1 minus this answer. So this will give me 77. This will give me 77 divided by 123. So 77 divided by 123 must be your answer. Mm, 263 minus, if I do 53, it is 210. Let me check. A student chosen at random does not study German. So how many are studying German? 53 students are studying German. 53 out of 262. So 1 minus 262. Okay, total here is 262, not 263. 262. So 1 minus 53 divided by 262. Answer is 209 divided by 262. Okay. Now 20 students choose their favorite science subject. The results are shown in the chart. Okay. Work out how many more students choose biology than physics. Okay, so physics 6 student and biology if I see 11 students. So the difference is of 5. Write down the fraction of students whose favorite science subject is chemistry. So fraction. So here 3 out of total student is how much? So 3 divided by, now total number of student here it is 11 plus 3, that is 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 6, 14 plus 6 20. Okay, here it is given 20 students, right? So this is 3 divided by 20. The result is 3 divided by 20. One of 20 student is picked at random. Write down the probability that this student does not choose biology. So does not choose biology means the student either choose chemistry or physics. So like this I have 9 students, so I will say that the probability that the student did not choose biology is 9 divided by 20. Only one of the averages, median, mode and mean can be found for these results. Write down the average that can be found. Okay, so as you can see this data, okay, here if you want to find mean, then this data, biology, chemistry and physics, they should be in numbers. As they are not in numbers, okay, I will say that mean is not possible. Okay, median is one way we can say that, okay, median is possible, but the better answer will be mode. Mode is what? Mode is something which has the highest frequency. Mode is one which is the highest frequency. Median I will say is not possible, because for median I have to arrange data either in ascending order or in descending order. Now here, as biology, chemistry and physics, they are subjects, okay, I cannot give them some order, so median is also not possible. So only what I can find out, only the average which I can found is your mode. Okay, now find the average of these results. Find this average for these results. So average for these results. So for these results, what is mode? So mode is your biology subject. Mode is biology. Explain why the range cannot be found. Now for range also, these biology, chemistry and physics, they should be in numbers. So as they are not in numbers, you cannot find. So here I will say that data is about subjects. Okay, or I will say that no numerical data. No numerical data. Fine. 12th question. Kim has a 6-sided spinner numbered 1 to 6. She spins it 63 times and her scores are shown in the table. Find the relative frequency of scoring a 5 with this spinner. Now relative frequency means how many times you got 5, okay, divide by total how many times you spin. So it is given that you spin 63 times, so it is 5 divided by 63. Now work out the mean score. Now for mean score, I will do the calculation. For mean score, I will say that 1 times. So here I'm doing the calculation. Mean is 1 times 12 plus 2 times 7 plus 3 times 15 plus 4 times 11 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 10 and whole divided by the total frequency is 63, so that divided by 63. So let me do the calculation. So it is 12 plus 14 plus 15 3 the 45 plus 11 4 the 44 plus 8 5 the 40 plus 6 tens are 60, whole divided by 63. So result is 3.413. 3.413. Work out the mean score. So mean score is 3.413. This is your mean score. 3.413. Right? Now, next question number 13. Question number 13 is a random sample of 200 families was taken from a family in a city. The number of children in each family was recorded. The results are shown below. So number of children in a family and number of families are here. Find out the relative frequency of family with 2 children. So with 2 children it is going to be 73 divided by total how many families we have? 200 families. So 73 divided by 200 will be your answer. Now there are 5,400 families in the city. Find out the estimate of the number of families with 2 children. So estimate of number of families with 2 children. So 73 divided by 200, it is going to be multiplied by 5,400 families. So 73 divided by 200 multiplied by 5400. Your result is 191971. So 1971 families are such that they have 2 children. Okay. Now question number 11. A bag contains different colored counters. Shasha takes a counter at random, records its color and replaces it. She does this 90 times and record her result in a pie chart. So this is a pie chart. Okay. The question is write down the relative frequency. Shasha is choosing a red counter. So now let us figure out what is this angle is. So total angle is going to be 360. So 360 minus 148 minus 136. Result here is 76 degree. Now the first question is write down the relative frequency. Shasha choosing a red counter. So red counter is 136 degree. 136 degree out of 360 degree. So total 90 time we have done. Okay. So if out of 360 degree red is 136 degree, then out of 90, what is the number of red? I will get it by this formula, that 136 divided by 360 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 90. Okay. So the answer is 34. Okay. This 136 divided by 360 gives me the relative frequency of getting red. Relative frequency multiplied by total number of time will give me total number of time I get red result. Okay. So it's 34. Now work out the number of time a green counter is chosen. So green counter, its relative frequency is 76 divided by 360. So 76 divided by 360 multiplied by 90. So 76 divided by 360 multiplied by 90 will give me 19 as a result. So 19 is my result. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is a bag contains 5 red ball, 4 blue ball and 3 green ball. Mike picks 2 of the 12 balls at random without replacement. Okay. Okay. Pay attention on this word. Calculate the probability that the balls are different color. Okay. The balls are different color. Different color means the balls are either red blue or blue green or red green, or what you can do, you can find out the possibility that the balls are of the same color and you subtract it from 1. Okay, that will also give you the result as the balls are different colors, because balls are of different color will be the complement of balls of the same color. So it is easy for me to find out the possibility of same color. So I will do that. 1 minus, now for same color, if it is red, it is 5 divided by 12 times 4 divided by 11. Okay. If it is blue, then it is 4 divided by 12 times 3 divided by 11. And if it is green, then it is 3 divided by 12 times 2 divided by 11. Okay. So here, if I subtract all these values from 1 minus, I will say that 5 divided by 12 times 4 divided by 11 minus 4 divided by 12 times 3 divided by 11 minus 3 divided by 12 times 2 divided by 11. I have opened the bracket and the result is 47 divided by 66. 47 divided by 66. So this is your question number 15. Question number 15, your answer is 47 divided by 66. Now, next question. Question number 16. A box contained 20 packets of potato chips. A box contains 20 packets of potato chips. 6 packets contain barbecue flavored chips. 10 packets contain salt flavored chips and 4 packets contain chicken flavored chips. Maria take 2 packets at random without replacement. Show that the probability that she take 2 packets of salt flavored chip is 9 divided by 38. Okay, these problems, I like these kind of problems because these kind of problems will also give you an idea how you have to solve, or you by yourself will understand whether you are doing it correctly or not. So salt flavored, now out of this 20 packet, the salt flavored are 10. So if I choose first as a salt flavored, it is 10 divided by 20. Then without replacement, if I'm choosing second as a salt flavor, then it is going to be 9 divided by 19. So this result, okay, I have to show. So here 10 and 20, they will cancel. It is 1 divided by 2. So the result will be 9 divided by 38. Find the probability that he takes 2 packets of different flavored chips. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the same flavored packets, same flavored chips, which is going to be 6 in bracket, it is 6 divided by 20 times 5 divided by 19, or 10 divided by 20 times 9 divided by 19, or 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19. So here my result is 1 minus, it is 1 minus 6 divided by 20 into 5 divided by 19 minus 10 divided by 20 into 9 divided by 19 minus 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19. Okay, so result I got is 62 divided by 95. 62 divided by 95 is your result. Okay, so this is question number 16, second part. Now B. Question B is, Maria takes 3 packets at random without replacement from the 20 packets. Find the probability that he takes at least 2 packets of chicken flavored chips. Now 2 packets of chicken flavored. So I will say that chicken and some other flavored chips, or chicken, some other flavored chips, and then chicken, or it is other flavored chips, then chicken, or all are chicken flavored chips. Okay, now I will add all these probabilities. Okay, so chicken, if I see out of 20, there are 4 such packets. So there are 4 such packets, so it will be 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19. Now out of 20, if 4 are chicken flavored, then 16 will be of some other flavor. So it is 16 divided by 18. Now this and this and this means all these three have these kind of denominators and numerators only. So what I will do, I will multiply this whole by 3. Okay. And for chicken, it is going to be 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19 times 2 divided by 18. Okay, so here the result is 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19 times 16 divided by 18 times 3 plus 4 divided by 20 times 3 divided by 19 times 2 divided by 18. Okay, so your result is 5 divided by 57. 5 divided by 57. Okay, next question number 17. Question number 17, the diagram shows two sets of cards, set A and set B. Jojo chooses 2 cards at random from set A without replacement. Find the probability that the 2 cards have the same numbers. I think this kind of problem already we have solved in our previous part of the worksheet. So I will skip this question. Okay, so this is the last question in this worksheet, which is repeated again. So we are not doing this question. Okay, I think there are few more variety of the questions, so I will figure out those kind of questions and I will make a separate video on that. Okay, I hope till here you are clear that how we should approach probability. Okay, so fine, take care, bye bye.